Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to continue the reading part of our first lesson, our water resources. So, all of you open your chapter 1, our water resources, okay? In previous class, we have done the reading part of the concepts water, irrigation, wells and tube wells, canals and tanks of your first lesson, our water resources. And in today's class, we are going to continue from dams, okay? Dam, D-A-M, dam. A dam is a wall built B-U-I-L-T built across a river. It controls C-O-N-T-R-O-L-S. It controls the flow of water W-A-T-E-R water by the opening O-P-E-N-I-N-G by the opening and closing C-L-O-S-I-N-G closing of sluice S-L-U-I-C-E sluice gates. Water is stored S-T-O-R-A-D stored in an artificial A-R-T-I-F-I-C-I-A-L in an artificial lake behind B-E-H-I-N-D behind the dam called a reservoir R-E-S-E-R-V-O-I-R reservoir. The stored water is directed D-I-R-E-C-T-E-D directed towards T-O-W-A-R-D-S towards fields F-I-E-L-D-S fields through T-H-R-O-U-G-H through canals. Apart from storing water, S-T-O-R-I-N-G storing water, dams are used for other purposes also. P-U-R-P-O-S-E-S purposes. Water is made to fall from a height H-E-I-G-H-T height in a dam to generate G-E-N-E-R-A-T-E to generate electricity E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y electricity. They control floods F-L-O-O-D-S floods and are also a place for breeding B-R-E-E-D-I-N-G breeding fish. When a dam is built to serve more than one purpose, it is called a multi-purpose project. M-U-L-T-I multi P-U-R-P-O-S-E purpose project. Multi-purpose projects in India. Bhakra Nangal Dam B-H-A-K-R-A-N-A-N-G-A-L Bhakra Nangal Dam is its river and location is Satluj S-A-T-L-U-H Satluj River in Himachal Pradesh H-I-M-A-C-H-A-L Himachal Pradesh. And its features are one of the largest L-A-R-G-E-S-T largest dams in India, facilitates F-A-C-I-L-I-T-A-T-E-S facilitates irrigation I-R-R-I-G-A-T-I-O-N irrigation and provides water for electricity. Hirakud Dam H-I-R-A-K-U-D Hirakud Dam. Its river is Mahanadi M-A-H-A-N-A-D-I Mahanadi in Odisha O-D-I-S-H-A Odisha. And its features are one of the longest L-O-N-G-E-S-T longest dams in India. Next one is Sardar Sarovar Dam. Its river Narmada N-A-R-M-A-D-A Narmada in Gujarat, Gujarat, and its features are facilitates irrigation in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. Next one is Damodar Valley Project, DAMODAR, Damodar Valley Project, Damodar in West Bengal, and its features are facilitates irrigation. Next one is Farakka Barrage, Farakka, Farakka Barrage, and its river is Ganga in West Bengal, and its features are supplies water to West Bengal and Bangladesh. So children, we will continue the remaining part in the next class. Once go through